Good morning. We are going to work on a Juniper Nona today. She's in a plastic bag kind of, and it's starting to come apart. So we'll do a spin and you can see where the bag's coming apart as well as get a view of the tree. Here we go. She's got some nice lines in her. All right, let's do it. This concrete pot is what we're going to put her in. This one has moss growing on it. A nice amount. A little thick baby. Yeah. So I decided to leave it on there. I do like a little moss sometimes growing on my concrete pots. Yes. I mean, look at that. That is phenomenal. It's a love-hate relationship with moss, actually. Okay, so prep our pot first. Yes, yes. I have my little plastic pieces to put in the bottom here. Voila, and voila. And now we'll add a little bit of bottom rock, which is about 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch rock on the bottom, and then I'll add some 1/4 inch rock on top of that. Just a thin layer, just enough to cover the bottom, and then just enough to cover that layer of rock with the smaller rock, the 1/4 inch rock. We got to prep our pot before we unplant, deplant, or a larger rock. Press. Now our 1/4 inch rock on that. Now we have our drainage ready. We'll put just a tiny bit of media in there to kind of cover the bottom. I'm not sure where I'm going to put her in the plant yet. Not sure what she's going to be. We'll see. Okay, I got her ready. Took her out of her bag. Let's see what these roots look like. I think this is going to be the front of the tree. I got all excited and started unplanting and hadn't trimmed her up or anything really yet, and I'm like, So we're going to go ahead and put her in and then do a little bit of trimming. Nothing too drastic, but just some slight trimming. I'm going to trim a little bit before I add anything else, the top rock and her accessories. I also have company. Got a little carried away in the unplanting of her and didn't trim her beforehand, which normally I like to do that, so yeah, that's why we're trimming now. I got my aromatherapy in with my Juniper Nona. I think we're ready to place some rocks and some lichen and some moss in there. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, we got our rocks placed. Let's add some moss and lichen. Let's add top rock. Okay, all done here. I think she looks good. A new environment I get to go visit. Let's do a spin. We did 3 rocks, a bit of moss, different kinds, 3 different kinds of moss, and a lichen, one over there. And we, of course, oh, and then we have this moss on the pot, so that's 4 different kinds of moss actually. Let's do a spin. I did not do any wiring. She probably needs it in a couple of spots. We got a couple of branches that are kind of coming at you. But I didn't want to wire her after I had unpotted her. Maybe subconsciously I was like, let's go ahead and plant her and then I don't have to wire her. Perhaps. But there we go. All right, well, I hope that you enjoyed. I certainly did. I love decorating a bonsai. Thank you very much. And I'll keep you posted. Have a good one. Thank you for being with me.